say let y be is equal to what? 0. Are you seeing that? Let y be equal to 0. Meaning that we are going to have x squared minus 4x plus 3. It does not matter why the equal sign here we have just said is equal to 0, like that, so that it becomes a quadratic equation. That is what you must take note. Then, how do we know the coordinates of B and C? Here now, we are going to solve. We need to solve this using the appropriate method. So here, you can solve the equation using either factorization method, 2, you can use also formula method. You can as well use completing of the square method. Completing the square method. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, take note that these methods are already taught. Are we together? You need now to choose which one do you feel very comfortable. Which one are you comfortable with? Is it factorization method, where you need to find the product, sum and factors? Is it the formula method? Remember, this is paper 1. There is no way you're going to refer that, okay, this is the formula. You must know it. Okay? So, what you need to do is that we are going to use the first one, factorization, and also later on we are going to use what? The formula method. Is that clear? Okay. How do we solve using factorization method? We start with product. What is our product? Our product is A times C. A, this is 1 times C, which is 1 times 3. We are going to have 3, positive 3. Sum is negative what? Negative 4. Factors. Now, when you're finding the factors, it's very easy. It's the easiest thing a student or a pupil will ever find. What you need to know here is, what are the factors of 3? The factors of 3 are 1 and what? And 3. So you write 1 and 3. They are just 2 factors. You ask yourself, I want these 2, when I multiply them, I should get 3. When I add them, I should get negative 4. Listen very carefully here. If the sum is negative and the product is positive, it means both factors must be negative. So you pick this negative and this becomes what? Negative, like that. Okay. Now, it means this will be negative x and this will be negative 3x, like that. These factors are the ones which are going to be replaced here, so that you have 4 terms, and then you factorize using what is known as grouping what? Method. So let's write here, we are going to have x squared. What are we going to write here? Your eyes here, you bring this here. Negative x. Again, you have negative 3x. Then plus what? Plus 3 is equal to 0, like that. You ask yourself here, factorize by grouping method. What is common here, in my view, is x. Alright? You write your x outside. After you write your x outside, x into x squared, you remain with the x. This x into x minus already, then you write 1 like that. You close. Okay? When it comes to this question, you have negative 3x and positive 3. We are able to see a 3, very common. But the question is, what am I going to put here? Is it positive 3 or negative 3? Certainly, if we are to have the same thing here, our negative must be outside. Then we write our 3 like that. Negative 3 into negative 3x. This negative 3 and negative 3 are already outside, so we remain with the x like that. Now, negative into positive, it's negative, then 3, we are going to have 1, then it's equal to 0. To know that you're doing the correct thing, please check what is inside the what? The brackets. And then, can you factorize further? What are the factors? We have x minus 3. X minus 3, these that are outside. You put them in brackets, and then you write these that are inside. Is equal to 0 like that. Now, when you reach here, this is where we say a bar. We use what is known as a zero product rule. One of these must be 0. So we say x minus 3 is equal to 0, or x minus 1 is equal to what? 0. Then, what will happen here? What will happen here? This will be x is equal to positive 3. And this will be x is equal to positive what? Positive 1. Like that. Both solutions are positives. Why? Look at this. The graph is on the positive side. There is none of these which is going to be negative. Unless the graph was like that, then you would have 1 negative, 1 positive. Now, this one, it is on the side of the positive. No wonder we have 2 positives. Now, the question is, find the coordinates of point P and point what? C. There is the coordinates. So this becomes 3, 0. Are you getting the point? In terms of coordinates. Why 3? X, we know it. And y, remember when we said let y is equal to 0. Here, 3, 0. Then, here, it will be 1, 0. But the question is, which one is B and which one is C? You check. From 0, you cannot have 3 here. No. You have what? 1. Is that clear? So, the first with the lowest number becomes the coordinate B. The next one with the furthest number becomes coordinate what? Coordinate C. So these are the coordinates, like that. So B, it's 1, 0. And then C is what? 3, 0. So this is how we handle questions like this if they're asking us to find the solutions.